bakubur ba ki don ki jing tenju bat ki jing perking ha ka bayde bat ka jingya pen bet put hakin riutli ki jaka Myntri Rangbah ka jalau konrat ki sangmau la kentat ya kanu ka sinjam ka ban kmi biang ya ka Jingiateh Soskular balasoi bat ka asam watla Iada ya ka te ka Jingiateh apeng ki arjala haki hinriu naki khat artli ki jaka ki bedon hapeng ka jingya kaja haki shilinter kaput balayakren haka kala baningkong Myntri Rangbah ong ba ki ladon ki jingi merjingmut ki bajrong bat barok tu ki badan ka jing sngukya haswa ban poisha ka te ka Jingiateh ula benrap ba ki don katu kat ni ki nongrem ki bahab ban but ha ka jingya kren bat in hap shimru ya katu kat ni ki rai ki bajwat ha ka wei kalyang ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kala ai jingmut ba ka sarkar jala ban khmi biang ya ka Jingiateh Soskular balaya soi bat ka asam UCEM ula ong ba namar ba ki hima kim shimla menjor ha ka bayde bat ka jingin thop lang ya ki katu kat ni ki shnong sha ka asam ka KHEDC kala ong ba ka sarkar ka dei ban khmi biang ya ka te ka Jingiateh.
More or less, there's a consensus. Yes, in one or two areas, some people had said that if it could be done in a much better manner. But we explained to them the constraints of the way the process is moving forward. That we cannot have everything the way we would want it, because we are basing certain areas on certain principles. And now, if those principles don't apply to another area, and we apply a different principle because it doesn't suit us anymore, then it does not go in a true spirit of the discussion and negotiation that we're doing.